Good evening, students. Welcome back. How are you all? Fine. Good. Yesterday we were talking about how to write a letter. Okay, letter writing. So today I am going to explain you how to write letter in good and systematic manner. Okay. Now for that, what we have to do is there are some rules. Yesterday I told you what rules we have to follow for letter writing. So what for rules are there? We have to write down our address in the right corner, correct? Our address. But now as we are writing letter in the classroom, what we will do, we will have only one address. What we will do, we will write down as a address what name of our school. Okay, they had shown one format. So what we will do, we will write down name of our school. What is name of our school? Sri Ganesh International School, Korali. So in right corner we will write down address of school. So I am writing here Sri Ganesh International School, Korhali. Okay, and then below that we have to write down date. Now which date we will write? We will write today's date. Today's date is what? 19. So we will write down what today's date. So 19/12/2020. Okay, that is our date. Okay, come on. We have completed what we have done. We have written address Sri Ganesh International School, Korale, date 19th December 2020. Okay, our right corner address is over. Now we are going to write down left side receiver. Now this is the address of sender. Now this is the address of receiver. Now this letter we are going to, formal letter we are going to write down to the principal of International School and Gurukul. Who is principal of International School? Mr. Ramnath Pachore sir. Who is principal of English Medium Gurukul? Mr. Pankaj Khadangre sir. So what we are going to do, we are not going to mention their names. Instead of that, we are going to write down only to the principal. Okay, to the principal. So already I have written 2. After 2 you have to give comma. T should be capital. Okay, don't do mistake of writing small letters. Some students have habit of writing first, always they write first letter in small. Okay, small what we call in small letters they write. You have to write down in capital letters, not in small letters. So here 2, the principal. The also T should be capital, principal's P should be capital. Okay, and below that we are going to write down address Sri Ganesh International School. International School, Korhari. Now full stop. After Korhari you have to give full stop, and then you have to write down subject. Now what subject is given in our book? The subject which is given in the book is request for home issue facilities. Okay, so I am writing here subject. You have to keep some gap over here, and below Korhari word only you have to write down subject. What will be our subject? The subject of our letter is request for home issue facility. Home issue facility. And then again in the left corner we have to write down dear sir or dear madam. So what we are going to write down, or if you want to write respected sir, you can write down respected sir will be the best. Okay, so respected sir, dear we like write in informal letters, means letters which are not formal. So what we are going to write down, respected sir. Okay, so I am writing here respected sir, comma. After sir, what you have to give? You have to give comma, and then below this we are going to start writing our letter. Understood? So here what we are going to write down, we the students of standard 4th have a request, full stop. Our English teacher Mrs. Desai. Now who is your English teacher? Mrs. Gorode, correct or not? So you can write down, don't write Gorode, I don't like, you know it very well, I don't like my surname to be written. You have to write down Miss Manju ma'am, okay. So we the students of standard 4th. So I am writing here, we the students of standard 4th. After 4th you have to give comma, and then further you have to continue is have a request, full stop. Our English teacher, after teacher you have to give comma, because we are taking pause over here. Wherever we take pause, there we have to put comma, okay. So many times I have told you before also. So what you have to do here is our English teacher, comma, Mrs. Manju ma'am, okay. After ma'am you are taking pause, so you have to give comma, and then further you have to write down has informed, HAS has informed, INFORMED, informed us about, has informed us about many new books, that have arrived, in our school library, we are eager to read them, read them, okay. Now I have written one paragraph, okay. After respected sir, I have written one paragraph, same as it is you have to write down, and second paragraph you write down from book, okay. Here in textbook it is given. However, it is not possible for us to finish reading a book during the library period, comma, which is only once in a week. May we have your kind permission, madam, to take the books for home reading? We promise that we shall take utmost means maximum, okay. Meaning of utmost is what? Means maximum care we will take, okay. UTMOST, utmost care of the books and return them on time. And below that again in the right corner downside you have to write down, yes faithful all students of class 4th, okay. That you can continue as it is. So in this way you have to write down. Many students have tried on their own, but then your try was very good. You should try on your own, but do one thing, that trial you can keep as it is. So you will think that I have written a letter on my own, I have tried at least. Many students, 4 to 5 students, I think so. Samarjit Raja has written letter, Saisha has written letter, then Krishna has written. There are many more, but I could not see as I was in work, so I could not see the letters of other students. But what you have to do, you have to write down in this format, okay. So please complete your letter writing in this format. Can you say it properly? Is it visible? Okay. So write down your letter in this way. Remaining part of the now 17th lesson, there is informal letter writing, that I will explain you next week on Thursday, okay. Thank you.